Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Maru's Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can set up XUI Tunnel VPN in all countries to provide you with a fast connection, a secure connection, a stable connection. So guys, if you're new on this YouTube channel, consider subscribing, sharing this tutorial to your friend, and if you're watching this tutorial right now, I just request you guys to like this tutorial, and then that is it. First and foremost, we are going to open our Google Play Store, and then once you open Google Play Store, you're going to search for this application. It is XUI Tunnel VPN. So make sure that you use Google Play Store to search for this application, and then I'm going to download this application from the official Google Play Store. After downloading, make sure that you open. Now keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, information, education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. So you're going to start by checking later, and then the application initially will be looking like this. So first things first, before doing anything with this application, you're going to start by coming where you see those menu slashes right there. And then once you click on those menu slashes, you're going to scroll down until you find, you're going to scroll down and look for a message which is called update notes. Alternatively, if you don't see that message in the menu slashes, you're going to come right here where I'm pointing onto that loading icon, and then tap onto it, so that you can be able to update notes until you see this message that no updates are available. Secondly, you're going to come right here where you see auto select server, and then you're going to be able to choose any available fast UDP server that is near to your country's location, or that is from your country's location. But if you're not able to spot up those servers from these servers, I recommend you guys, if you're not able, only if you're not able to spot out that server, now you're free to keep in the auto select server. But I request you to keep on choosing a server that is near to your country's location. Don't forget to like the tutorial, subscribe to this YouTube channel, share this tutorial with your friend, and if you get any problem, let me know in the comment section. I'll be guiding you through on how to solve that particular problem. So lastly, you're going to come where you see all country UDP. Now you're going to be seeing the local networks and all networks. So I request you guys to select all networks. Then once you tap onto all networks, you're going to be able to scroll and look for your country's network. But we have a working network that will be working in all countries, which I want to show you in today's tutorial, so that you can be able to connect onto it to access a secure connection. So scroll down until you reach the very end of this tutorial. Scroll down until make sure that when you are scrolling, you are patient enough to look for your country's server. So you're going to scroll, but if you can also try to use the search and search the network name. Me, I want a UDP. And here it is right here. Tap onto it, then come where you see the start, and then press start, accept the connection request. There you'll be able to connect to a secure connection. As you see, mine has already connected successfully. Hope you are seeing how fast it is. It is 4 MBs, 5, 7, then 10, then 12. Hope you are seeing how fast 14, 15, then let it reach 20. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Marus Tech, and I sign out.